Hello, welcome to this section, Python modules. What is a module? A module is a file containing a set of functions you want to include in your application. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a module, how to use a module, and how to install the third-party module. So let's just go create a file. Come over here and you just, let's say, my module mode.py. Okay, and let's just run the function def greeting open bracket name. Okay, and say print hello. Plus name, then control save. Then we go to, then this is just a module we have created. Then I'll show you how to use a module. Let's go to our first.py. We import a module just like the way I imported, if you followed from the beginning of the class, how I imported the date time module. So we import my mode, and let's say my mode dot greeting into bracket, let's say James. Control save. Let's go to our terminal. Python first.py. Sorry, I did not save. Control S. Okay, there we go. Hello James. Oh, so the capital letter X. Control S. Let's run it again. Hello James. So that's how you create a module, and this is how you import a module.